to be able to become an alternative. Ang problema kasi kay Miranda is that the MiCA or the people behind MiCA is quite silent, no, about the issue today. So obviously Guru holiday, etc. So but based on our research, no, ang nakita po natin is they were given 6 months minimum to create an adjustment in their process. All right? So kung ang mga exchanges ninyo ay wala pong sinasabi, walang pakialam, therefore it's an unspoken truth na mukhang alam na nila na meron silang 6 months leeway, therefore they're now working at the back end. Ngayon, kung kayo naman ay nasa decentralized exchange, I don't see an immediate effect yet on the DEXs. Okay? Number 3, in terms of compliance, based on my previous live, meron na pong mga pinapilot sila ng mga dollar tether pegged, no? That's MiCA approved, no, launched by a Dutch bank to be able to become an alternative. Pero the question nga is, why are you going to pilot when you have USDC or the ones that's obviously launched by Circle, no? That is already MiCA compliant.